Isaac, what's going on with your shoulder?
With my shoulder.
Your clavicle.
Broke my clavicle because of a seizure,
Okay.
but my shoulder, left shoulder, is hurting a lot because of that.
How much pain from 0 to 10? 10 is emergency room.
About 5 or 6.
5,
And 7,
7.
especially when I sleep.
When you sleep on your back. When did you had this? You broke your clavicle.
I fell in the shower because of the seizure around January 15th.
January 15th. We are February. Can you give me a brief history of your medical history? Like why you had a seizure?
I have seizures once in a while because I had a stroke because of a tumor resection in 2011.
What's difficult for you to do for your shoulder now because of the clavicle fracture? Lifting things.
My 2-year-old daughter.
Oh, okay. All right. Can I see your range of motion? Do this. The side. Okay, that's tight. Tell me if you feel pain and the front. That's tight. Is that increasing your pain or constant 5, 6? Do you have constant pain? No pain? Yes. Okay. Can you do this? All right. I'm going to take your range of motion first and then do the treatment. Lie on your back head here. You're comfortable?
Well, it's fine.
Put pillow here. Lift your head up. Can you get something for his knee, please? I will have you go up like this, and I will take your range of motion. And get this number. Okay. So this is about 90. It's about 95. Okay. I'm gonna go upward like this, bring it toward your ear. Good. And keep your elbow straight while you bring it up. Is that painful?
No, it's just difficult to keep my elbow because flexors take over
90
my
degrees.
extensors.
90 degrees. Bring your hand down. That's normal. Look the other way. That's normal. Flexion and abduction. You're right. Make sure what I'm doing is not causing pain. Do you feel pain here?
No.
This is where you had the fracture?
Yes.
Okay. So just relax. Is that painful here?
No.
So did your doctor says your fracture healed or close to healing? It's healing? Okay. Is it painful what I'm doing here?
No.
Okay. Make sure this is not painful. You're gonna take this. So you feel weaknesses and constipated in the back, or you feel it in the front too? In the back. That's most of your pain.
Yeah.
And I feel the tightness here. In here. Okay. Let me know if that's painful.
Okay.
Releasing your soft tissue. Make sure it's not aggravating your symptoms. And we're gonna take the range of motion after that. So your flexion was 95 and abduction
90.
Okay.
Okay. How to remember that?
Remember that. Remember your numbers. Okay. And this is good. Is that? And let me know if that's too much, okay?
Didn't know I came from massage therapy. Thank you. That feels good.
It's actually, massage does not treat dysfunctions. Massage is just for wellness. I invented an instrument to get to the source of the problem.
Oh, I see.
To release scar tissue, fascial restrictions, instead of infusing my hands. And that's what I teach therapists and doctor to utilize ASTR instrument to get to the root of the problem. So it's called ASTR.
ASTR.
Yep, advanced soft tissue. That's what it's standing for. I will show you the scar tissue. I'm just doing some release here. You feel this knot here?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So,
For the past 6 years, I haven't been using full range of motion.
is that painful?
No, in a good way, like deep tissue massage feeling, but not.
To feel pain, okay? Because there's fine line between actually breaking scar tissue and causing the scar tissue.
Okay.
So make sure what I'm doing is not painful. I will have you sit up for me. Take this. All right. Let's turn around. Let's sit on the edge of the table. It's gonna feel cold. I'm gonna cure scar tissue. Make sure it's not painful, okay? I will show you the scar tissue. You feel this one? Feel how nice and smooth? Just going the instrument going and compare it to this. You feel
Yeah,
this
I feel
bump?
that, yeah.
That's a scar tissue.
Okay.
With any accident or trauma or falls or anything like that, our body has to go through 3 stages in order to heal. First, inflammation, swelling, edema, redness, blood start to rush to that area. Second stage is called proliferation. That's when the body builds the scar tissue. So, for example, if we have external cut, if your body does not build the scar tissue, it's open wound susceptible for
Right.
infection. So our body has to build that in order to heal. And the last stage is maturation, and that's when everything clears up and the body heals. The scar dissolves. That's in perfect scenario. It takes days, weeks, months, or years, and sometimes does not happen. Patient is stuck in proliferation stage or the inflammation stage. So what I do with this instrument is actually try to transition this
So is all that
process.
turmeric I'm taking helping? Is all that turmeric I'm taking helping?
Turmeric used for inflammation. For scar tissue, the most effective way is mechanical breaking with instrument. Even with the hand, it's not effective to break scar tissue. You know what I mean? So we have to apply mechanical force. I invented this instrument to help to break that fibrosis or scar tissue. Yeah, I used to use soft tissue and massage. It's hard on the hand to break it and hard on the therapist.
What about
And
the elbow? The ASTR?
It's,
No?
it's painful for the patient. So there's fine line between breaking the scar tissue and causing the tissue.
Scar tissue.
And if the therapist is very rough and using they actually cause micro trauma internally, and that will start a new scar tissue. So it's a vicious cycle. I don't recommend that. And I feel bad for the therapist using that because it's a lot of work
It is,
compared to using just ergonomically designed instrument to break the scar tissue or at least I don't feel like really doing hard work. Working, the instrument does most of the work for me. And the feedback I had from therapists who took the class, that they actually can feel the scar tissue better than their hand. Than their-
Leaning their weight with
yeah,
their
or
elbow.
palpating. You can feel the scar tissue easier with the instrument
Oh.
than the hand. Yeah. Let's get the front view. Take your range of motion, lift your arm up, and see how far you can go. Can you tell the difference? Do it again. Good. Straight forward. And to the side. Lie on your back. How's the pain? Do you feel pain now or it's gone? Let's do the flexion. That was 95 degrees. Let's see how far we can go. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Wow.
That was 95, now is 175. Normal is 180.
Wow.
That's beautiful. Look at that.
Awesome.
Are you trying to show off?
I'm trying to make you look good.
No, good range of motion. Bring it back and see how far we can go. That was 90 degrees. Is that as far as you can go? With elbow straight. Beautiful.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I really do feel like you
Is
did
it?
some stuff.
Ah, awesome.
There's a lot of junk going
Yeah.
on.
So tell me, what do you think about ASTR treatment? Just the few minutes of
I
treatment.
like that. That felt good.
You feel the difference? All right. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Thank you. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.